Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing mixing of income and bank balance for purposes of Thai retirement visas. The Thai retirement visa is a very popular visa category here in Thailand, and I get a lot of folks that contact us about various issues surrounding the financial requirements associated with the retirement visa. I got a recent email from a viewer and it says, quote, "In your YouTube video says that it's not possible to use half of income and half of bank deposit." And then this person quoted from the Royal Thai Consulate General Los Angeles website, which we'll go ahead and pull that up, put it on screen for you so you can see, but quoting directly, "Bank statement or evidence of adequate finance showing a deposit of the amount equal to and not less than 800,000 baht." Okay, so that's the 800,000 baht bank balance requirement. Or an income certificate, an original copy, with a monthly income of not less than 65,000 baht. Okay, so that's the income. We've talked about that before, pension and things like that. Now, bear in mind, we're talking about embassy here, we're talking about the Royal Thai Consulate. That operates under the auspices of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. They have a different set of criteria sometimes. It's not too far off, but there's sometimes little administrative differences between the way they do things at embassies and consulates versus the way things work here at immigration domestically here in Thailand. So again, I'll read that again. An income certificate, an original copy with a monthly income of not less than 65,000 baht, or, so it's either or. So then they go down to or, and I can see where this might confuse someone. A deposit account plus a monthly income totaling not less than 800,000 baht, plus a monthly income totaling not less than 800,000 baht. One, I see where people get the sort of mixing here. That this does not work domestically at Thai immigration. I'm here to tell you. We've tried this, it doesn't. Now, again, Thai authorities at embassies and consulates have different prerogatives with regard to what they look at, okay? Couple of things though, and what's key, not less than 800,000 baht. So monthly income totaling not less than 800,000 baht. Now, a deposit account plus a monthly income, I don't know what that means, okay? And again, overseas, embassies, they're not operating under Ministry of Interior, which is what we're dealing with immigration here in Thailand. Overseas, they have a little bit more discretion. That said, I did the math, and if you you sort of divide 800,000 by 12, it still comes out to 66,666 baht, and then it's 0.6666 into infinity till you get to a 7 back there somewhere. And so at the end of the day, it's basically the same thing that you're looking at. And then in case of submitting a bank statement or letter of guarantee from the bank, an original copy is required. Yeah, and then he says it's a mixed match between this site, and he cites Royal Thai Consulate General Los Angeles. Sorry, my English, but can I please look into this? I think, can you please look into this, what this person meant? Again, what happens at consulates and embassies abroad is what happens at consulates and embassies abroad. We've discussed this at length in many other videos where, look, they have broader discretion and they don't have to set the same regulations that Thai immigration here domestically does. In point of fact, and in my experience, I've never once seen Thai immigration accept any kind of mix on the financials. They want to either see 800,000 baht in a bank account or 65,000 baht plus in income. Now, this particular consulate may take a broader approach and may kind of exercise their discretion, but at the end of the day, if you annualize 800,000 baht or you put it into monthly increments, it's still going to have to come out to over 65,000. So I look at it as 6 of one as half a dozen of the other. It's all basically the same thing. And the other thing is, you never really want to put yourself in the position where you're relying on the discretion of an adjudicating officer. You want to be clearly within the parameters of one or the other requirement, in my experience, because otherwise you're just muddying up the waters, and quite honestly, kind of making a problem for yourself in trying to ultimately get the visa issued.